Contenders 2018, Jan 25. Here we go. We're finding out which team wins the Chargers. Tabby, do you want to win the Chargers? Hell yeah, you do.
Who doesn't want to win them, both?
Hell yeah.
Unlucky person.
Oh, wow. Massive fire started in SA. Glad that got put out. Bloody hell. Well, yeah, I think it started to rain here as well. I walked past outside and thought I could see it, but it might have just been real light. Far out. It's so crazy. Like, this is the weather that gets me real sick. Like, my body hates when the weather changes. Alrighty, fortunately for me, Chargers are on the bottom. 1 in 32 chance of that happening. 5 times, here we go. 1. Yeah, this is what... I'll be bad, I think, if it keeps changing. 3. Pray for me, Tabby. 4.
Where's that?
And 5. Congratulations to the New York Jets. New York, New York. 5 times the Jets are on top. Who's got a Jets? Congratulations, Leone, picking up the Jets. Also picking up the Chargers. Let's hope for Herb. LG. Let's go. It's been, I really like this product. I think it's one of the most solid products that comes out every year. Oh, no, you know what the most disappointing thing is, Tabby? My Lego won't arrive for tomorrow. Matthew, Cooks, Henry, Adams. Rookie of the Year, nice. Joe Burrow, good way to start things off. Oh. Well, a bit tired. Because of the public holiday tomorrow, there's no delivery, which means my... Oh, you've got to be joking. 250 points, which means it probably replaces a bad auto, which you'd probably want the points on anyway. And the rest are all just MVP contenders of Ezekiel Elliott. If someone's winning 250 points, do not let me forget anybody. And they're all just season tickets. Yeah, it's a good Super Bowl. It's a real potential passing of the torch. Oh, really, Brady? Rookie of the Year, Jeff Okuda. I'll get my guy to send some out to you. He usually is pretty good with those. Sorry about that, buddy. Yeah, 6. Round numbers of the Patriots. Keen and Asiasi. Of course, no dispatch tomorrow of your break hits. Noah Igbinogene. Rookie ticket. Winning ticket, Drew Breezy. I'll add in an extra pack for you as well. Jimmy G, MVP contenders. Jalen Hurts, Rookie of the Year. Nice on-card auto for the Baltimore Ravens, Devin Duvernay. Legendary contenders of Peyton Manning. Toby, do you like the band Baltimore? Huh? Round numbers of McKinney and Diggs. MVP, Josh Allen. Oh, to 149, MVP contenders, Kirk Cousins, and Rookie of the Year contenders, Cam Akers. Nice to get a numbered card. Like cousin boy. Heath, we know a lot of people who have done well. Dan Marino, legendary contenders. I know a few people who've done well, a couple of people who've done well. I don't know anyone real close, but I don't know anyone who I see every single day that's ever done well from a Kobe pack. Rookie of the Year contenders, Michael Pittman Jr. You know, I've seen people on the internet do well. I've seen people who come into store do well. I've seen friends in the community do well. But Tabby, I've never seen Mahomes base. I've never seen anyone who I know do well. Logan Wilson. Round numbers of the Raiders. Nice. Winning ticket, Patty Mahomes. Do I think Drew Brees will retire? No, I think he goes one more year. MVP contenders, Gardner Minshew. Terrell Burgess, rookie ticket. And a Chase Young, rookie of the year. I think he goes one more, but I've been wrong plenty of times. Legendary contenders, Bo Jackson. Who do you think the next big retirement is from the NBA, Tabby? He's retired.
Did he?
Yes.
Kyrie.
You reckon Kyrie's going next? Rookie of the year, Chase Claypool. Good advice. Oh, Redemption, Tabby. Round numbers of the Cardinals. We need to find a little blocky. Here we go. Oh, I forgot how ugly the new things were. Rookie championship tickets. 1 second. No.
Yeah.
No. 1 second. I don't think it's called that in this one.
I guess a football championship is different to an NBA championship.
Yeah. 1 second. It's 99. Cracked ice ticket than Super Bowl ticket, I think.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's really upsetting. Okay.
Still.
Card 149. Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. I got really excited there, Tabby. I'm not going to lie to you. No, championship ticket, obviously referring to the AFC championship. Or NFC championship. Winning ticket, Christian McCaffrey. My cousin boy. Tabby, I got excited there. I don't know what it Kenneth Murray, but still, you like it. MVP contenders, Matt Ryan, in what world? Oladipo to retire, that's a really good shout. That's a really good shout. Trevon Diggs for the Dallas Cowboys auto. Jake Fromm, where? Yeah, I reckon he's gone. What's he doing? Treading water. Steve Young, legendary contenders. I think Grayson next to retire. And he passes it all on to you. You're the new Grayson. Round numbers, Seahawks.
Me?
Yep, that's what you get in the contract for.
Oh. That's nice.
Yeah. Nice for the Colts on card auto, Jonathan Taylor. Cam Newton MVP. Alright, it's now getting to the point where I probably should have beaten before. Rookie of the year, AJ Dillon. Pau Gasol, Carmelo Anthony. They're both gone. I think Carmelo will be
Carmelo was
real soon.
my next guess.
Legendary contenders of John Riggins. Playoff ticket to 109 of Sterling Shepard. Brandon Ayuk, Rookie of the Year contenders. Round numbers of Ruggs and Judy. Kyle Korver. I reckon he'll fade away into the night. I reckon he'll just, be like, alright, I'm not playing anymore. Bye. Winning ticket, Russell Wilson. I forgot he was a bit of an old boy, but he still kind of looks young in the face. Quez Watkins auto. This hasn't been nearly as good, Ryan Tannehill. Actually, I guess a low numbered auto is good. Oh, my arm is killing me. Jonathan Taylor, Rookie of the Year. I don't know how bowlers do it, though, because my neck hurts. All the time.
And I'm not sore. Am I not trying hard enough?
Eric Dickerson, legendary contenders. Maybe you just have a better motion than I do.
The only thing that saw is my pride.
Albert Okwubanam. And a round numbers of Cam Akers and Van Jefferson. We definitely should have taken the power play last, though. But I don't think it would have made a difference. MVP Contenders Baker Mayfield, and that is Contenders 2018. Goodbye for now.